Nicky here from Fine & Country, and I'm back with your market update for March. So the start of 2023 has proved to be more stable economically than many had anticipated, with forecasts suggesting any economic downturn will be less extreme than first predicted. The economy is fragile, but it has fared better than expected, with consumer and business confidence improving. Sales levels in the first 2 months of 2023 look to be returning to pre-pandemic levels after the unsustainable activity of the last 2 years. This is supported by the latest economic index, which indicates there was a return to private sector growth in February. Business activity is at an 8-month high, and manufacturing output is at a 9-month high. According to HMRC, sales volumes in January are on par with the pre-pandemic January average. According to Zoopla, despite buyer demand being 51% lower than the same time a year ago, it is still 8% ahead of the pre-pandemic average of the years 2017 to 19. So looking now more at the mortgage side of things. Although the Bank of England reports that approvals in January actually fell to their lowest levels since May 2020, it is clear the housing market continues to transact. For those requiring a mortgage, the market continues to stabilise, with product choices increasing. There are more than 4,300 different deals now available, the first time since August last year that product choice has surpassed 4,000. So presenting plenty of opportunities for buyers. Nationwide reported the first annual fall in sales prices for the first time in nearly 3 years, falling 1.1% last month. After 2 years of limited new supply to the market, there are signs of more balance as supply returns to normal levels. Zoopla report a 60% increase in stock year on year, creating choice and giving buyers options and more room to negotiate on price. Annual price growth in the prime market is continuing to outpace the wider market. In England and Wales, the average price of a prime market property has risen by 9.8% year on year, with London seeing the strongest growth at 11.4%, closely followed by the South West at 11.2% and the East of England at 10.2%. Wealthier buyers are largely shielded from the higher mortgage rates, and the value of the pound remains attractive for international buyers. I hope you found the information in this video useful. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions at all, and thank you for taking the time to watch.